Today we're going over my March 2022 business YouTube income report. I do have a full blog post breaking into the revenue streams even more, even deeper. And then we're also going to go over my expenses because I think it's super important to know what a business is spending in expenses as well as the income. So most people focus only on the income. I like to focus on expenses as well. And I do have a free printable for you guys as well of 97 online business ideas to help you create your own side hustle or your own online business and kind of help you to brainstorm some ways that you can make more money. So I'll have that for you guys down below in the description box for free. 97 online business ideas for you. Okay, jumping right in, affiliate marketing. I made $1,106.46. Etsy, $138.59. Freedom in a Budget Shop, $49.39. These are the two places that I host my digital products. So my printables, my Excel templates, all of that is hosted on both of these platforms. It's the same exact products, just in two different places because both bring in revenue. YouTube blog. This is the ads that play on my YouTube videos and then also the ads on my website as well. So $922.15. Instagram, $104.10. Courses, $561.05. I have two courses, one on how to save money on groceries and then Dreamer to Profitable, which is my entrepreneur course teaching people how I make a full-time income on the side through an online-based business. Patreon, $27.23. Speaking, $74.28. I was a speaker on for Your Money Summit, which was so much fun, and I'll have a link if you want to get my talk down below. $74.28. Coaching, $126.55. I do online business coaching. I do money coaching, all of that. One-on-one coaching. So, and you pay per minute. So I did $126.55. for a total of $3,109.80. Now, this month was a lower income month because I gave birth on March 1st to my sweet daughter Peyton, and so I did not work nearly as many hours. We're going to go into my hours in a little bit, and I'm going to show you my hourly rate as well. But it was a super low month. I worked under 10 hours this month, so that was because I was busy having a baby and then taking care of the baby. And as a first-time mom, it was overwhelming, but we made it through. All right, the expenses. First one is Nicole Walters. This is a membership group that I pay for, $97 a month. No labor this month. I didn't have any contractors. Supplies, nothing. Travel, nothing. And advertised marketing, $0. Now, the dues and subscriptions. Comcast, $134. I'm not going to go over all of these, but Comcast, my cell phone bill, Zoom, the annual pay for Zoom, YouTube Premium, Apple, Cloudflare, all these different subscriptions was $569.32. No food expenses. All right, let's get into the breakdown because this is the fun part. So total of all expenses was $666.32. Total revenue this month was $3,109.80. Profit, 5%. This is a bonus that I give myself every quarter, was $255.65. Owner's pay, 65%. This is what I pay myself. That goes into my husband and I's personal family budget, $2,021.37. Operating expenses is 30% of operating expenses. My goal is to spend 30% every month back into my business. So 30% of my total revenue would be at $932.94. And then what I spent minus the 30% is $266.62. So this $266 goes into a savings account, and this is what I use if I have to invest more into my business than a typical month. So if I'm buying conference tickets or a new piece of equipment, like a new camera, a new computer, or something like that, then it goes into a savings account. So I have that buffer there. So jumping down to this blue box. So the profit for this month was $255.65. Now this is March, so this is the end of the quarter. So I'm going to take this $675 and that's going to go as a bonus for myself and to my family. So I'm going to get this month the 65% owner's pay, the $2,021.37, plus this bonus of $675. Then the operating expenses this month, this right here, this is the operating expenses minus 30%. So this is that extra income that goes, or the extra that I have to spend, the $266 for a total of $786.58. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions on that, leave it down below in the comments. All right, hours worked was 8 hours and 8.75 hours. So 8 hours, 45 minutes that I worked at my business this month. That is incredible that I worked under 10 hours this month, and I, was quite busy having a baby, but that's really crazy that I've been able to build this into a passive income where I only worked under 10 hours this month, which is obviously not the norm. And if I continue working that low of hours, then the income will slowly decrease. But that's crazy for how much I've made this into a passive income. So my hourly rate for this month was $355.41, which is incredible. So that is my income report for March 2022. Like I said, I'll have a blog down below, and as well as some other tutorials for you guys. And check out these playlists as well.